Circle the noun. Worksheet 1. సో, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి వర్డ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. నౌన్ వీటిలో నౌన్ ఏది అనేది మనం ఇప్పుడు సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. సో, వాట్ ఈస్ నౌన్? Noun is particularly defined as name, place, thing or idea. That is called a noun. So, here happy, pillow, goat. Pillow is the noun because it is a thing. Okay, and coming to another one, goat is a noun because it is an animal name. So, coming to second one, draw, eat, towel. Here answer is towel. Towel is noun because it is a thing. Eats is noun. Okay, eat is verb. Slow, monkey, girl. Here monkey is a noun because it's a name, it's animal. Girl is a name because girl is a name. Coming to another one, lamp, kite, fast, Seema. Lamp is noun because it is a thing. Kite is also a thing. It is a noun. Seema is a name. So that is noun. Noun means a particular defined as name, place, thing or idea is called a noun. Particular defined as a living things or non-living things. Okay. Coming to common noun. Find the common noun in worksheet 2. What is a common noun? Common noun defined as a common or general name, place or a thing. Okay. This girl is short. Here girl is common noun. The farmer is fat. Farmer is noun, common noun. My bag is new. Here bag is common noun. The lion is very dangerous. Here the lion is common noun. My bicycle is old. Bicycle is common noun. So common noun means it generally or commonly defined as a place, thing or person name. So that is called a common noun. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, share and